Actually, I was sent an invitation to be a resource person
Okay.
to shed a light on the process of the budget.
Okay.
Ano yung alam ko, I'm actually glad to be given the opportunity to be able to explain the process as I know.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Ma'am, alam niyo naman yung issue ng small committee, no? Kasi people have been looking for you, the public, sa paano po yung, ano ba, how do we explain the process of the small committee? Kasi dun daw yung, dun daw yung insertions.
Ang proseso kasi na ginawa ko,
Okay.
kung meron, lahat ng senators, merong individual or institutional amendments.
Okay.
So yan, sinasubmit yan dun sa secretariat namin.
Okay.
And then the secretariat will coordinate with me and both houses, yung technical working group ng lower house at saka ng Senate, will meet to reconcile those. Now, as to the existence of a small committee, I'm not really privy to that. Wala akong sinalihan na small committee or closed door meetings
Okay.
with my counterpart in the House.
So kung may mga illegal insertions, you wouldn't know kung saan na-insert ka?
Alam mo, lahat naman ng mga sinasabing amendments na-ratify ng both houses during the final BICAM process.
Okay.
And as far as the Senate's amendments are concerned, it was presented and coordinated with the DBM also. They were aware of it.
Okay.
Because we wanted to make sure that this was possible in terms of the categories that were allowable to amend. So, yun yung mga na-submit sa akin, sa Secretariat.
So, nung sa level ng secretariat, in coordination din kayo DBM, kumbaga may clearance naman nila, ay kaya pa ba ito, i-accommodate, parang gano'n ba yan? Sa level ng secretariat?
Ganun. At saka, ito ba ay feasible? Dito sa mga, makaka-apekto ba ito sa priority infrastructure projects ng Presidente? Anong mga pwedeng gawin? Yun yung sa level na alam ko.